Hey, what's going on YouTube? Here we have a eBay item. If you go back to my one of my previous video, I told you that my gas cap and my ignition were messed up. So went ahead and ordered an eBay item, and it's the lock and the ignition, the gas cap and the ignition. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an unboxing for you. Pretty straightforward package. Put that to the side, and here we go. That's one, two, and three. All right. All right, here's the package. First off, we have the ignition. 2 sets of keys. Ignition. Seem pretty good. Nice heavy. Got some weight to it. Here is for the trunk, the back seat, and here is the gas cap. There we go. And they come with the necessary bolts, so if you lost your bolts, there you go. The only thing it do not come with is the rubber sealant grommet that was originally on the tank. It do not come with that. So let's put that to the side, and here you go. Here was my previous ignition. I hooked it up to a toggle switch, and we can check from right here. Yep, they're the same. And we can check from right here. Yep, they're the same. I went ahead and did this temporarily, but honestly, I really enjoy this setup, because instead of, when I'm working on the car, having to come put the, wait a minute, is that, let's see, oh, that's the wrong one. Instead of, oh, there you go. Instead of when I'm working on the car, having to keep coming on, turning the switch on and off, when I was working on the car, no, I'm sorry, when I was working on the bike, all I had to do was flip a switch. And honestly, what I will do is I'm going to end up keeping this just for future reference, in case I got to do a few things on the bike which I have to turn on and off. I could just go to this. Very convenient. Flip a switch on and off. What I think I will do, honestly, I'm going to go ahead and put this on. And somewhere on the bike, maybe by the left panel, I'm going to install this. It's like just a quick switch for me. Even though I got my key in, I'm going to just, flip the switch. My gas cap, here we go. Now you can see that is really bad. I had to drill a hole through there. So if any one of you guys have some issues where you having a hard time getting into your tank, what do is you got to get these bolts loose. I'm talking about if the tank is closed, this originally won't come off because it's latched onto there. It will not come off. So what you have to do is, what I did was, I know you can see it right here, I had to break it. So I got these bolts off right here, and then I just kind of broke it. Then open the switch, and then I drilled a hole through there. So be careful when you're drilling that hole through there that you don't damage anything in the gas tank, which if you look down in there, you'll see that second hole right there. I almost damaged something in the tank, but luckily I didn't. So you see, a straight hole through. So overall, I'm happy with the item. I'm happy with it. Pretty much similar you know what I probably will do is I'm gonna go ahead and paint that. I'll plastic dip it black, and pretty overall good item. It came up to 24 bucks, $24, and it took approximately 4 days. I ordered it on Sunday night. It came on Thursday. No, I'm sorry, it came on Friday. I ordered it on Sunday and it came on Friday. Very fast shipping. And let's go ahead and test the keys out one more time. So this is one. I think this is the gas cap key right here. Yeah, that's the gas cap key. This is the ignition key. Here's the lock solenoid to lock your bike. Boom. There you go. So this is the gas, this is the ignition, and the second one, actually, they're all ignition. Oh, that's pretty cool. And let's check the gas cap. So you can see the little lock is turning. So everything seems to be good. All right, eBay item. I'm gonna put a link in the description, and it came, and I'm very happy with the product. Looks pretty good. Yeah, that's about it. Comes with the little lock for the back. Let me check that too. Check that key. Yep. See, works perfect. All right, there you have it. All right. See you guys later, and I will put a link in the description for you guys so you guys can check it out.